I just need a small, making Italian Christmas cookies. They're all in the oven. I just need a small
Put it all over your rubbing everywhere.
And we have all these Italian cookies all cooling off. There's Grandma and Mom.
Why don't you sit down and ice them?
And our fillings. We have an apricot butter filling and an apple butter filling.
Don't get in it again. Because you just washed your hands. We're not going to do anything right now. We're going to need a...
Yeah, because you washed your hands, Alyssa. You can put a little bit of the filling in, okay? But don't touch the dough and get your hands all sticky, okay?
Only the moms can do that. Can I have gloves?
How much longer does
Can I have gloves, Mama?
I think Grammy has gloves.
Granny,
Or
do
she'll
you
be the
have
last of the
kid-size
apricot
gloves?
Not your size gloves, that glove.
Oh, butter
Right there.
I don't think we're gonna.
Don't put too much in.
So those are done?
You need a little...
Or just that
I'm
one?
moving them to the other side because it will all fall out.
In the bottom? That should be 5 minutes. See, they're so big.
Today, we
Let's
are
try to get that
making
one.
some cookies. These are some of the cookies, and
They're
over
real.
there, those are the real cookies. So, let's get started.
You like it?
How was it?
Good.
Give it a thumbs up.
Delicious. I give it a 101.
Good.
Cream chocolate.
Here, I need that tray. Are these testing ones?
Mama, are those testing ones?
One good part
One
about
more?
this is
Yeah.
you don't have to ice them then.
Yeah, they're just ready
These
to
are still
go.
going on.
I give
These are never ending.
an A and an L. Hey, just like my name, A and an L.
Wash my hands.
I know, me too. Both of them. It's a dirty table. We'll have to do
Now that you
everything.
touched it.
Clean up over there.
Yeah, I washed them real good. This pan's really hot, Alyssa, okay?
Okay. Can I stop?
Okay, we're done making our Italian filled cookies, our Italian cookies, and our shortbread cookies. And we're just getting done making the chocolate chip cookies and the chocolate chip cookies. We're almost done. Thank you, helper. What do you think about the cookies? Are they good? Is it a thumbs up?
Hope you enjoyed watching us make cookies. Subscribe to our channel and give us a big thumbs up. Bye-bye!